Can you tell me which is heavier, a ton of bricks or a ton of feathers?
Heavier.
Bricks.
A ton of bricks.
The logical reason would be the bricks.
Feathers, perhaps.
This is the Quick Reaction Team and I'm your host Tanish. This week we thought of making a fun episode, so we went around the campus and asked an IQ question. What weighs more, a ton of bricks or a ton of feathers? We got some hilarious, hysterical bro science explanations. So make sure you watch this video till the very end.
Which is heavier, a ton of bricks or a ton of feathers?
A ton of bricks.
Ton of bricks.
A ton of bricks or a ton of feathers?
Ton of bricks.
Ton of bricks.
This is some twisted question.
Ton of bricks, obviously.
Because bricks are heavier than feathers.
A ton of bricks or a ton of feathers?
A ton of bricks. Same ही होगे. A ton है ना?
Are you sure?
Because feather is very light ना as compared to bricks. अभी है तो ton ही ना, दोनों का same weight ही तो होगा. Oh God. I'm sorry. हाँ, exactly the same.
What do you think, which is heavier, a ton of bricks or a ton of feathers?
Bricks, obviously.
Okay, what about you?
Feathers?
Feathers, perhaps.
गिरेंगे same time पे, but the weight obviously bricks का ज़्यादा होगा.
Being a science student, a ton of bricks for me is more heavier than a ton of feathers.
क्योंकि वो भारी होते हैं उनमें उनकी density ज़्यादा होगी.
Obviously, they are heavy. So that's why bricks will be heavier, na?
Brick.
Brick, why?
Because brick is much more. Brick has much more weight than feather. Feather is lighter.
It's the same weight. My God.
I guess they both are 1 ton, so they'll weigh same.
Absolutely.
Yeah, actually, I'm a science student, so there is a ton of feathers, and within that there is a ton of, another ton of air. So it's 2 tons and 1 ton of steel, whatever. Not sure.
What?
Not sure. I have no clue.
Okay, I'll go for the bricks.
Bricks. Why bricks?
They're more dense.
Think about it. A ton of feathers or a ton of bricks?
A ton of equal. Sorry, equal. Equal.
Alright. Which is heavier, a ton of bricks or a ton of feathers?
It's equal.
Yeah, it's equal.
It's equal. We're science students.
See, a ton of bricks, it's heavy, fine. But it will be heavier if you have a ton of feathers because you have that guilt of killing all the birds. A ton of feathers because you have that guilt of killing all the birds.
Oh, they're the same. They're the same. They're the same weight. Because they're a ton.
She needs to know how.
Yeah, explain.
Because both, it's a ton of bricks and a ton of feathers. A ton is a measurement.
Let's-
weight.
Okay.
Okay, same.
What?
Same चीज हुई ना, same weight पूछ रहे
Yeah.
तो obviously उस
Ton, T-O-N वाला ton.
Okay.
Continue.
Tube lights on.
Sorry, both weigh the same, right? Both weigh the same. Shit.
So what do you think weighs more, a ton of bricks or a ton of feathers? Let us know in the comments below. And to watch our videos first, make sure you click the subscribe button and do the regular like and share. Until next time, goodbye. What do you mean by a boner? Boner.
This is the best pair of boobs I've ever seen.
A girl meeting a boy alone somewhere will be banned. The government is screwed.
I think it will ban YouTube.